Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Discussing the weather forecast.
Hi, Mark. Have you checked the weather forecast for this week?
Hey, Sarah. Not yet, but I heard it's supposed to be quite unpredictable.
Yeah, I saw some clouds rolling in yesterday. Do you think it's going to rain?
It's hard to say. The forecast mentioned a chance of showers, but you never know with this weather.
I hope it holds up. I have a picnic planned for Saturday, and I don't want it to get rained out.
Fingers crossed. It would be a shame to cancel outdoor plans because of the weather.
Definitely. Well, let's keep an eye on it and hope for the best. Thanks for the heads up, Mark.
No problem, Sarah. Let's hope Mother Nature cooperates with us this time.
Scenario 2. Dealing with extreme weather conditions.
Hey, Emily. Did you survive the heat wave yesterday?
Hi, Tom. Barely. It was scorching hot, wasn't it? I felt like I was melting.
Tell me about it. I had to blast the air conditioner all day just to stay cool.
Same here. I even went to the beach to escape the heat, but it was packed with people.
It's crazy how the weather can affect our daily lives so much. I heard there's a storm coming next week.
Oh no, not again. I hope it's not as bad as last time. I had to deal with a power outage for hours.
Let's hope for the best. We'll stock up on supplies, just in case.
Good idea. Thanks for the heads up, Tom. Stay safe out there.
Scenario 3. Enjoying pleasant weather.
Hi, Alex. Isn't it a beautiful day today?
Hey, Jessica. Absolutely. The sun is shining, and there's a gentle breeze. Perfect weather for a stroll in the park.
I couldn't agree more. It's days like these that make me appreciate living in this city.
Definitely. I was thinking of going for a hike later. Want to join me?
That sounds lovely. I've been meaning to spend more time outdoors.
Great. We can pack a picnic and make a day of it.
Count me in. Let's enjoy this beautiful weather while it lasts.
Agreed. It's moments like these that make life so enjoyable.
Absolutely. Thanks for inviting me, Alex. I'm looking forward to it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.